Greetings! Welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I am JAHVAY GAYLE. For more information about me, check the description box below. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, it's 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
The good news about Jesus, as according to Mark chapter 9 from verse 42 to verse 50. If nobody make one of them little picnic will believe in a me sin, it would have better if somebody tie one big rock stone round them neck and fling them into the sea. If your hand make a sin, chop it off. Cause it would have better for you no cripple and live forever with God than for have two hands and sin down in a hellfire. We can't out. If you no foot make you no sin, chop it off. Because it would have better for you if you no can't walk and live forever with God than for have 2 foot and get fling down in a hell. If your eye cause you for sin, juke it out. Cause you'd have better off if you go in a God kingdom with 1 eye than for have 2 eye and get fling down a hell. For the worm them we are near them can't dead, and the fire we are burn them can't out. But fire I go burn and clean up everybody. Salt good. But if the taste gone, how you gonna make it taste like salt again? Make the good news coming like salt amongst uno and cause uno to live in a peace with one another. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.